This is an American Standard Silver Series heat pump. It is from September 2017. It's 5-ton, R-14A refrigerant. I cannot tell what kind of compressor it has. I think that's an Alliance scroll, but I'm not sure. And over here, there are 3 Snyder Generals. Yeah, these are old. Lots of thorns over there, so I can't get too close to them. And it's a straight cool unit. Bristol reciprocating compressor. You know what? These might actually... I don't even know if these have data sheets. Hold on a minute. I'm just trying to get back in here without slicing my leg by thorns. Yeah, I don't see a nameplate on it, nor do I see a data sheet. Yeah, these were old. Probably from the 70s or 80s, probably. At first I thought these were carry-around ones, but I got a closer look. And these coils are in rough shape. I mean, I don't even know if these work anymore. Look at that corrosion right there. And there's actually 3 more over there. Yeah, I don't think you can see it that well. I'm gonna have to walk around the building in order to get a closer look at it. Gas meter right there. And there is a Train Odyssey in XC series over there. I don't know if that's an XC1000 or what it is. I know it's an XC series, that one right over there. I'll get a closer look at that in a second. And I am pretty sure this is running in heat mode. It is a very chilly day, so I'm pretty sure it is. Can't really get back to the suction line. Yeah, they are coming out the tops really cold. Hold on a minute. Yep, it's hot. And the Odysseys, or the Odyssey. Pretty sure this is a straight cool unit. There's the train logo right there. October of 1994. Oh my goodness. I got it starting up. And you know what? Listed section of air conditioning system. Hold on. Yeah, this is a straight cool unit. The suction line's cold. I don't know why they'd have the AC on right now. So that's cold. And this is a 20-ton. $1994 Train Odyssey split system 20-ton straight cool air. In relatively chilly weather. It's kind of funny. I don't know why they have the AC on. Yeah, I don't know what model. I mean, I know it's an XE series, but it's got the climate tough reciprocating compressor. There's no model designation, but I know it's an XE series, like I said. Did I get the year off this? November of 1999. 3-ton. See if I can get a charge off this thing. Oh yeah, R22 refrigerant. Yeah, the only heat pump appears to be that American Standard. Scared the crap out of me when this thing turned on. Not sweating, but the suction line's not sweating, but it's cold. Alright, let's see if I can get a closer look at those other Snyder Generals. Here are the other Snyder Generals. I thought there were 3 Snyder Generals, but the one in the middle is a Janitrol Goodman. Again, no data sheet. Or you know what? Yeah, there's a data sheet. See if I can get a manufacture date. That's faded. And this is that one American Standard seems to be the only heat pump. All the rest seem to be straight cool units. And there's actually a Goodman and a Train XE 800 on the other side of the building that I'll get to in just a sec. This is from 1994, 4-ton. I don't even know if these work. I mean, the Janitrol might still work. That one's in good shape, but look at that right there. I think this has a Bristol reciprocating. These do as well. Okay, I'm going to get to the other 2 units. Then we will wrap this up. Climate tough reciprocating, I believe. Access panel is off the back of the unit for some reason. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this one is a heat pump. I can see the reversing valve right down there. There you go. And there's a defrost control board. You know, in this Train XE1000 is from July of 1989. 2.5 ton. And let's get the year off of this unit. 2006 4-ton. Okay, we'll take one more look at the older units. Then we will head out. Yeah, I don't think I missed any units. I mean, there's more on the roof, but I don't think I missed any on ground level. Okay. So now let's see what there was on the property. So there was 5 Snyder Generals, including these 2, a Janitral, a Train Odyssey, 2 Train XE series, an American Standard, and a Goodman, or a newer Goodman. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Out.